Hi there. Welcome to Spread Mathematics. Myself, Dr. Pinky Gupta. Today we are going to discuss area of triangle with help of determinants, minors and cofactors of determinants. So let's start area of a triangle. In coordinate plane, the area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by the expression this. Now, this expression can be written in the form of a determinant as delta equal to half x1 by 1, x2 by 2, x3 by 3 and the each element of column 3 would be 1, 1, 1. Now you should remember this area is a positive quantity. So we always take the absolute value of the determinant in 1. Second one is if area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinant for calculation. Third one is the area of the triangle formed by three collinear points is 0. Now example, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, minus 4, 2 and 5, 1. Area of triangle is given by this. Means here are first coordinate, here second coordinate and here third coordinate. And each column of each element of third column would be 1, 1, 1. After expanding this determinant along R1, we will get 61 upon 2 square unit. This is the required area. Now, another example, find the equation of the line joining A and B whose coordinate are 1, 3 and 0, 0 using determinants and find K if D whose coordinate is k, 0 is a point such that area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. So let's start. Let P whose coordinate x, y be any point on AB, then area of triangle ABP would be 0. That is 1 upon 2 determinant 1, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1, x, y, 1. Equal to 0 because points A, B and P are in same line. After expanding this determinant along R2 because two elements of R2 are 0, so we are expanding along R2, we get this line. This is the equation of line AB. This is the required equation. Now, since the area of triangle ABD is 3 square unit, so we will take plus 3 or minus 3 both. So the determinant 1 upon 2, 1, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1, K 0, 1 will be equal to plus minus 3. After expanding R2, we will get minus 3K upon 2 equal to plus minus 3 and K will be plus 2 and minus 2 both. This is the required. Now show that points A, B, C are collinear. The coordinate of A comma B plus C, coordinate of B, B comma C plus A, and coordinate C, C comma A plus B. Now area of triangle ABC is given by the relation delta equal to 1 upon 2 A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A, C and A plus B, and each element of column 3 will be 1, 1, 1. Now we are applying the operations. First operation is R2 replaced by R2 minus R1 and R3 replaced by R3 minus R2. So we get in R2 and R3 zero element. Now we are looking in R2 A minus B is common and in R3 C minus A is common. So we took the common and this is the our remaining determinant. Now we are applying one operation R3 replaced by R3 plus R2. So we did it and we got every element in R3 is 0. So we can put directly the value of this determinant 0 because every element of R3 is 0. Thus the area of triangle formed by points A, B and C is 0. So we can say the points A, B and C are collinear. Now we are discussing minors. Minor of an element Aij of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which element Aij lies. Minor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Mij. You should remember here minor of an element of a determinant of order n is a determinant of order n minus 1. Now example, find the minor of element 6 in the determinant this. Now you can see 6 lies in second row and third column. So we can write M23 means minor of 6 will be M23. So we will delete second row and third column, then remaining determinant will be 1, 2 and 7, 8. And after calculating, we will get the value of M23 is minus 6. Now cofactors. Cofactor of an element Aij denoted by Aij is defined by Aij equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij, where I is row number and j is column number and Mij is the minor of element Aij. Now examples. Find the minors and cofactors of all elements of the determinant this. This is determinant of order 2. Minor of elements Aij is Mij. Here you can see A11 means first row, first column. So M11 will be, we will delete first row and first column, then we will get 3 means minor of A11 will be 3. Similarly, minor of A12, this is A12 element. So we will delete first row and second column. Then we will get minor of A12. Similarly, you can get M21 and M22. Now cofactor of Aij is Aij. So A11 equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. We got M11 3. So we took 3 and minus 1 to the power 2. So final answer will be A11 of 3, A12 minus 4, A21 will be 2, A22 will be 1. So these are the cofactors and these are the minors of the given determinants. Thank you guys. In my next video, I will discuss adjoint and inverse of matrix and we will solve linear equation using inverse of a matrix. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.